mind, no be rude guy. So you know I'm a rude guy. Yourself, you're a rude girl. When you move to the rhythm, oh my heart just a tingling. Call me into your room now, make I show you what I deliver. Oh my chocolate skin girl, a chocolate skin girl. Oh my chocolate skin girl, a chocolate skin girl. Sweet like Coca-Cola, taste like Fanta. Got your booty just too juicy. Give me something where you go cool my temper. My body too hot like a
shorty so bad, she's an ebony. She love the way I rub on her melanin. Ecstasy give me different kind of energy. She gon' overdose on my sugar cane. I'm down for making love. 60 rounds in my gun, then I make it pop. Mr. Candyman, I take you to the candy shop. Give me chocolate, I know you want my lollipop, yeah. Hold the waistline, roll down your waistline. Show me now your type of behind. Jelly so sweet and delicious. Addicted, might need a return.
The waistline, roll down your waistline. Show me now your type of behind. Jelly so sweet and delicious. Oh my chocolate skin girl, a chocolate skin girl. Oh my chocolate skin girl, a chocolate skin girl. Sweet like Coca-Cola, taste like Fanta. Got your booty just too juicy. Give me something where you go cool my temper. Body too hard like this.
Come with the Henny and the Jack down, everybody locked down. For the way she done run town. She done sweep me like Poyo from upline. She done freak me like say I don't cook fine. She sabi connect to me bloodline. Oh wow, that's just a great sign. She no get side, she from uptown. The Jew get class, she from Cape Mount. Next door, close to Freetown. I saw the baby, then just the wrong town. From Kamakuya straight to Freetown. One girl that work for the big down. She got a big bomb. She drop it like Hiroshima, I didn't know she's a time bomb. Hands down to her bum bum. She got me speaking tongue like she can lick it down.
Chocolate skin girl, a chocolate skin girl. Oh my chocolate skin girl, a chocolate skin girl. Sweet like Coca-Cola, taste like Fanta. Got your booty just too juicy. Give me something where you go cool my temper. My body too hot like this.
Yeah. As long as I not die. Martin B. It's blinking the moon.
Twice eyes on the mix.
Yeah. Baby, they bust me brain now. Now you the ginger me. It's all like a insane no. It's all like say smoke tambi. Give me love, oh, give me love, oh. Give me love, oh, baby. Show me love, oh, show me love, oh. Show me love, oh, baby. Anything you want, I go buy 'em. I go buy shoes and design 'em. We go kick 'em like a final. The devil want cry, we go bind 'em. Give me love, oh, give me love, oh. Give me love, oh, baby. Show me love, oh, show me love, oh. Show me love, oh, baby.
Baby, you make me mind they play like
Da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
Da 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 da.
Baby, you make me mind they play like
Da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
Da 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 da.
Me beautiful queen, me I love you. No go do anything, me go wrong you. You know you my love, you my boo boo. Say baby so nice, how I do you? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And baby girl too funky. And you know they pan junkie. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Say 1 time, 2 time, 3 now you. The love way I get so to think and true. You know the woman of my life and me dream come true. Anything what you want, I go pin pan you. Me no ever see you with another man. If you know them call me criminal. Them say be a bad, me no animal. I no go marry you, I just a waste of time. Baby, you make me mind they play like
Da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
Da 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 da.
Baby, you make me mind they play like
Da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
Da 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 da. My girl, say now you be the one where they light up my world. Oh na 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 na. Cause I be the one where they give me love. When you give me a kiss, make I feel above. Baby too fresh, and I miss you all. I go love you till the end of the world. Anything you want, I go buy 'em. I go buy shoes and design 'em. We go kick 'em like a final. Let everyone cry, we go buy 'em. Give me love, oh, give me love, oh. Give me love, oh, baby. Show me love, oh, show me love, oh. Show me love, oh, baby.
Baby, you make me mind they play like
Da 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 da.
you make me mind they play like
Da 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 da.
baby, you make me mind they play like
Da 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 da.
you make me mind they play like
Da da da.
You rap on me forever. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Oh, gosh. Big folk and country up in this, yeah. Yeah.
It's Bash on the beat.
Girl, I want you rap on me forever. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Oh, I only see you, I don't see no other. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Mine. Me want send you love letter. Me want you, na me lie. Yeah. Me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl. Me want send you love letter. Me want you, na me life. Me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl but you.
Girl, you get the game, you feel by FIFA. Are you fine, so I know that you fever. Happiness so with the love, cause I see far. Back in the days, baby, you know me neighbor. Give me one chance for make I love you. Whisper in your ear just to keep it laughing. I'm addicted to your love, I can't do without it.
You wanna into mine like Illuminati.
You know they kiss with a guy like you and let me go. I know they kiss and tell, baby, that's for sure. You're the queen of my life, I will never let you go. Girl, you bad like Zizi.
Girl, I want you rap on me forever. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Oh, I only see you, I don't see no other. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Mine. Me want send you love letter. Me want you, na me lie. Yeah. Me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl. Me want send you love letter. Me want you, na me life. Me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl but you.
Yeah, girl, how you bad so? I like the way you cool and relax so. Turn around, baby, what you cock so? Hold up on you, girl, I bet by your swag. Louis on the bag, put you on the glasses. Perfume smell so sweet, Victoria's Secret. Everybody know you classic, not a secret. Sit by me, saga, I'm a big daddy boss. Waist no flat, let's jacket. I stop be fighting, that don't make now you a take. We find past them all and not a bad debate. Girl, you bad like Sissy, give me.
Girl, I want you rap on me forever. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Oh, I only see you, I don't see no other. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Mine. Me want send you love letter. Me want you, na me lie. Yeah, me not see no.
It's with great joy as we join you to celebrate our beautiful, caring, and hardworking mother, grandmother, sister, and aunt, Haja Koniya by Sise of 16H Hillside Bypass Road, as you celebrate yet another joyous occasion on the 27th of September. As you turn 72, we pray that Allah grant you your heart's desires. You are a woman with integrity, worthy to emulate. You lead and others follow. You are one in a million, Raja, and because you're a unique person, you deserve the best birthday ever. Enjoy your day, Auntie Haja Koniya Bai, as love and faithfulness will never cease in your life. We will always love you, Mama, our best cook and mentor. Eat your favorite food, drink your favorite drink, and dance to your favorite music. Congratulations and a happy birthday to you. With lots of love from your loving children, Mohammed, Big Shaka, Small Shaka, Santigi, Ibrahim Sori, Koni, Hawa and Yenkin, grandchildren, Edna, Koni, Bayumo, and Kadi. Have a blast.
I can make that sunrise in the west side. I can make you shine bright from the inside. If I have to do it for you, yeah, yeah. God bless the day you were born, cause baby when you show, things for my life just start to they glow. And so I sing this for you. Oh my birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, my dear son. Favor Momo Sise of 3 Alpha 2 Estate McKinney. Having you as a son has been one of the greatest gifts that life has given me. For all that you've been, for all that you are, and for all that you're yet to be. Happy birthday to the boy who changed my world, the moments I held him in my arms. Your laughter is my favorite sound, and your smile is my greatest treasure. Watching you grow has been my life's biggest blessing. May you be blessed with excellent health and a peaceful life. Happy birthday, one small favor, Momo Sise, the boy who stole our hearts the moment he was born. We cannot imagine our lives without you. This request is coming from your mother, Agnes Musu Sise, grandmother, Lucy Sise, and great-grandmother, Fatata Sise, and the entire family of 3 Alpha 2 Estate McKinney.
Oh my birthday, happy birthday, oh, I gotta sing on to you every day. Happy birthday, oh, I gotta sing on to you every day, every day, every day. Happy birthday, oh, I gotta sing on to you every day.
It's with deep sorrow and heavy hearts that the family at home and abroad announces the death of Madam Zainab Nabi, commonly known as BK, formerly of Woodbridge, Virginia, and of Regent Road of Circular Road and 57 Upper Phillip Street, Wellington. She died on Saturday the 20th of September, aged 53. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. Sympathizers may call at 57 Upper Phillip Street, Wellington, or call on mobile numbers 078 950 or 034 806 116. May her soul rest in peace. The death took place on Wednesday, the 24th of September, of Mrs. I. Kagbo of 1 Chapel Street off Freetown Road, aged 58. She is survived by her daughter, Mrs. Alice A. Conte, granddaughter, Janita N. Conte, son-in-law, Mohamed Bola Conte, siblings, Mr. and Mrs. Aliu Iskandri, Mrs. Jenny, and Auntie Jilo. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. Sympathizers may call at a residence. The death took place at the Connaught Hospital on the 25th of September of Mr. Khalil Usman Bangura of 27A Nickel Street, Kissi, back of mental home, age 63. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. Sympathizers may call at 27A Nickel Street, Kissi, back of mental home, or call on +23276 986 155 +23234 482 470 +23276 980 and +23280 235 757.
Jesus, keep me near the cross. There's a precious fountain, free to all the healing stream.
The death is announced of Engineer Edward Casa Dumbuya, who departed this life on the 28th of August in the United States of America, aged 41. He was a former employee of NP Sierra Leone Limited and a member of the Chartered Engineering and Calibration Company. He is survived by his wife, Mrs. Fatmata Samanatu Dumbuya, mother, Mrs. Martha Dumbuya, children, Edward Joshua G. Dumbuya, Sierra Fatu Dumbuya, and Sonia Hannah Dumbuya. Siblings, Pastor John Dumbuya, Mrs. Sierra Mose, and Mr. Saidu Mansari. Several close friends, cousins, nieces, nephews, and other relatives at home and abroad. A vigil will be held on Wednesday, the 9th of October at Maxwell Street, Wellington at 8 p.m. Funeral service will take place on Thursday, the 10th of October at the Faith Healing Bible Church, Peacock Farm, Wellington at 12 noon.
Bring its scenes before me. Help me walk from day to day with its shadow on me. In the cross.
The death took place on Saturday, the 13th of September of Mrs. Annie Yeriba White Kamara, age 61. She is survived by her husband, Mr. Abu White Kamara, children, Mrs. Rebecca Alan Cole, Mrs. Kadiatu George, Alex Kamara, Taiwan Kandi Sise, several grandchildren, nieces, nephews, close friends, and other relatives at home and abroad. A vigil will be held on Thursday, the 2nd of October, as the Faith UBC Church, Regents Road, Lumley at 7 p.m. The body will be laid out at a residence at Kamayama, Pentagon, Lumley at 10 a.m. and at the Faith UBC Church at 12 noon on Friday, the 3rd of October, followed by a funeral service at the Faith UBC Church, Regents Road, Lumley at 1:30 p.m. Burial at the Lumley Cemetery. Sympathizers may call on 088 652 950, 030 063 or 076 676 442.
Till my ransomed soul shall find rest beyond the river. Rest beyond the river.
The death took place on the 9th of September of Mr. Ekundayo Augustus Wak Williams Sr. of 260 Locust House in Kisii, aged 67. He is survived by his wife, Mrs. Mary Wak Williams, children Ekundayo Wak Williams Jr., Mary Kamanda, Hector, Abdul, Annie Kosi, and Patrick Wak Williams. Mother, Mrs. Yelia Longani. Several brothers and sisters, cousins, sisters and nephews include Mary Wak Williams, Rani Faulkner, Isa Kamara, Lukumal Logani, and Pastor Sinil Logani, all at home and abroad. There will be a vigil at the Brown Memorial United Methodist Church, Kisii, on Monday the 29th of September from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. The body will be laid out at his residence, 260 Locust House in Kisii, on Tuesday the 30th of September from 10 a.m. to 12 noon, followed by funeral service at the Brown Memorial United Methodist Church, Kisii, at 1 p.m. Burial at the Kisii Mesmes Cemetery. May his soul rest in peace.
How does thy face now languish, which once was bright as morn?
So confused, tell me what's happened. So many voices in my head, but he told me that this day will come. Tell me.
The 27th of September 2020 was a dark day, a black Sunday we will never forget. She was taken away from us. She is now safe in heaven. In memory of the late Mabinti Linda Koma, whose death was a big shock and a tragedy for the whole family at home and abroad, we ask Allah to forgive her sins and grant her Janatul Firdaus. She will always be loved and remembered. Sleep well and continue to rest in perfect peace. She loved to write, but her diary was never found. From your beloved family, mother, aunts, uncles, brothers, sisters, cousins, nieces and nephews, only the heart that truly loves knows the sorrow of parting.
But this is all up to all. He sent his angel of death. My child.
Theme I will sing, and when from death I'm free, I'll sing on, and when from death.
The family announces the passing of their beloved daughter, sister and friend, Ada Mimi Kale, who departed this life peacefully on Wednesday, the 24th of September, aged 37. She is survived by the Kale, Tommy, Kose, Kai Tibi, Kalon, Shaw, Sise, and look like families and friends at home and abroad. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. Sympathizers may call at a residence at Ogu Farm or call on 078 026 394 or 076 569 960.
So that he gave his only son, the lost to save, that all who would in him believe should have.
The death is reported of Lawrence Omotayo Kofi Williams, former chief cook of APC office and of 11 Granse Street, Kutown Road. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. Sympathizers may call on 076 795 754 or 088 178 622.
built on this chief cornerstone. All glory to the Father, Son, and Holy Spirit, three in one.
The death is announced of Mr. Joseph Olufemi Spencer Noah of 2 Mansare Drive off Limbakona Rukel. He died on Tuesday, the 23rd of September, aged 59. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. Sympathizers may call on 076 526 990 or 076 856 964.
There's a precious fountain, free to all, a healing stream flows from Calvary's mountain.
The death is reported of Mr. Ali Alex Fala, commonly known as Jaja of 15C Philip Street, Wellington, formerly of 11 Magazine Court. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. Sympathizers may call at 15C Philip Street, Wellington, or call on mobile numbers 078 713 070, 076 617 002, and 076 892 789.
There the bright and morning star sheds its beam, but I fainting be. Lord, let me never, never outlive my love to thee. Lord,
The death took place on Wednesday, the 17th of September, of Desmond Ekundayo Akinola Cole, commonly known as Muke of 7 Fisher Drive, Kokulbe, aged 24. He is survived by his mother, Kathy Fisher of Amy Expeditionary Healthcare, father Akinola David Ekundayo Cole, stepfather Oladipo Fisher, brothers Oladipo, Olajuwon, and Oladiran Fisher, grandparents Kathy Sandy, Atunike, and Ekundayo Scott. Several uncles and aunts, cousins, relatives, and friends at home and abroad. There will be a vigil at 7 Fisher Drive, Kokulbe, on Sunday, the 28th of September at 7 p.m. Funeral service will take place on Monday, the 29th of September at St. Edward's Catholic Parish, Kingdom, at 1 p.m. Burial at the Kingdom Cemetery.
language, come to the mercy seat, fervent.
Tell me what's happened. So many voices in my head, but he told me that this day would.
Inna lillahi wa inna lillahi rajiun. The family at home and abroad announces the death of their dearly beloved husband, father, grandfather, brother, uncle, cousin, and friend, Mr. Hassan Amin Fahad of 17 Regent Road, Lumley, opposite Ecobank, who had his home called peacefully at his residence, 17 Regent Road, Lumley, on Monday, the 22nd of September, aged 92. Funeral prayers will be said at the Lebanese International Cultural Center, King Hamad Road, on Thursday, the 25th of September at 4 p.m. Burial at the Kingdom Cemetery. He is predeceased by his wife, Haja Nadia Fahad Sabag. Children, Ghassan, Faisal, Riyad, Muhammad Ali, Rima, Hunaida, Amin, and Freehall. Numerous grandchildren at home and abroad. Brothers and sisters, Engineer Alhaji Kasim Fahad, Alhaji Yusuf Fahad, Malik Fahad, Abdullah Fahad, Dr. Halib Fahad in the UK, Samir Fahad and Nasser Fahad in the UK, Haja Zainab Fahad, Sabah Fahad, Haja Huda Farhad, Jamal Farhad, and Iqbal Anta, nieces, nephews, and a host of relatives and friends at home and abroad. May Allah grant him eternal rest. The family announces the 40th day ceremony for the late Pa Ibrahim Jaila, which will take place on Sunday the 20th of September at his residence, 5 Ndoika Drive, Kokulbe, Aberdeen Road, at 2 p.m. All relatives and friends are cordially invited. Continue to rest in peace, Paila. You will be missed. The death is reported of Fatmata Kone, a former third-year student of IPAM, aged 27. She is survived by her father, Hassan Kone, mother Musu Kone, close friend Thomas Yambasu of the Assemblies of God Church family, New Life of Laka. Other relatives, the Kone, Kooma, Kalon, Yambasu, Kamara, Sano, Rogers, and Koya families at home and abroad. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. Sympathizers may call on 076 746 329 or 076 241 894. The family at home and abroad announces the death of Mr. Rabat Eustace Milton Williams, also known as Okrimo, which took place in Maryland, USA on the 19th of September, formerly of 21 Hannah Benkakoka Street. He is survived by his siblings, Ernest in Manchester, UK, Veronica and Daphne in Maryland, USA, Philip in Perth, Australia. Relatives include Avril Rule, several cousins, nieces and nephews at home and abroad. Other family members, the Williams, Coker, John and Savage families of Hastings and Greater Freetown, the Thomas, Chetal, Matthews and Logan families of Benguma and York, the Nichols, Martin, Beckley, Fraser and John families at home and abroad. Other funeral arrangements will be announced later. The death is reported of senior prophetess Marion Scott of the International Prayer Warrior Church and of Dallas driver Milton, formerly of 5D Water Street, Congo Town, Freetown. She died on Friday the 19th of September, aged 71. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. Sympathizers may call on mobile numbers 034-154-869 plus 157-120 69431, 077400131 or 076-720-791. In loving memory of Alfred Hodgins Ronald Wilson, the 25th of September 2025 marks 2 years since you left for the great beyond, but your love and memories remain in my heart forever, deeply missed and always remembered. Father, in thy gracious keeping, leave we now thy servant sleeping, lovingly remembered by his widow, Enid Wilson.
This is my forever, gather with the
The death is reported of Mrs. Zainab Sise Kamara of 107 Quarry off by Bure Road, back of Hotel 510, Local Step Kisi. She died on Saturday the 20th of September, aged 72. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. Sympathizers may call at her residence, number 107 Quarry off by Bure Road, back of Hotel 510, Local Step Kisi, or call on mobile numbers 078-111-222 or 076-649-991. May her soul rest in perfect peace.
Blessed assurance, Jesus, oh what a foretaste of glory divine.
The death is reported of June Eva Williams of 12 Thomas Street, Freetown. She died on the 19th September, age 58. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. Sympathizers may call at 45 Main Road, Congo Town, or call on mobile numbers 030-416-706 and 030-672-344. May her soul rest in peace.
This is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. While millions join the theme, I will sing. And when from death I'm free, I'll sing on, I'll sing on.
It's with profound sadness and heavy heart that we announce the death of our daughter, sister, cousin, and friend, Asanatu Esther Sise, commonly known as Twin, which took place in Tunisia on Friday, 10th September, age 32. She is survived by her mother, Mariam Momi Conte of Tree Planting, brother and sisters Aminat Sise in the US, Yeno Sise, Osanatu Sise, and Joseph. Uncle Kauta John Sise, Abubakar Sise, commonly known as John Bull, James Koda Sise from Kamabala and Kasoya village. Close relatives, the Conte family, Sise family, Bangura, Ture family, Kouma family, Kabia family, Punde family, friends and families of Tree Planting, Ferguson Street, New Englandville, and Gloucester village. The memorial service of late Asanatu Esther Sise will be on Sunday, the 28th September 2025 at the Jesus is the Answer Evangelical Ministry, 5 Joe Town, Gloucester Village, Freetown. Sympathizers may call on 033-323-708 or visit our former resident at Tree Planting.
Perverse and foolish, oft I strayed, but yet in love he's not.
A resurrection mass for dearly beloved husband, father, grandfather, uncle, and in-law, Mr. John and Ulahai, who died on the 19th of August, age 77, will be held on Friday, the 26th of September at the Holy Trinity Church, Kenema at 1 p.m. and on Saturday, the 27th of September at Our Lady of Victory's Church, Jeroen Town at 1 p.m. He will be buried at the family tomb in his hometown in Jeroen. He is survived by his loving wife, Mrs. Anne-Marie Gina Lahai. Children, Mrs. Ma Joan Dimon of Nassit Freetown, Mrs. Mania Teresa Lahai of DHMT Kenema, Mrs. Senia Lahai Boema of Apex Bank Sierra Leone Limited, Mr. Alama Josie Lahai, a private contractor, Mr. John Yaya Lahai of NMJD Kono, and Dr. Adima Bernadette Lahai of the PCMH. Several grandchildren, siblings, nieces, nephews, relatives, and friends at home and abroad.
Good shepherd, may I sing thy praise within thy house. Wondrous love is this, O my soul. What wondrous love is this that caused the Lord of bliss to bear the dreadful curse?
The death is announced of Mr. Christian Mamadou Kamara of Dwazak, a member of the National Pentecostal Church 4th Street and head of radio operations at the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation. He died on Monday the 15th of September. He is survived by his wife, children, brothers and sisters. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. Sympathizers may call at 14 Savage Street or call on 076 813 188 or 076 458 478. The death announced of Mr. Victor Kamara Taylor of 14 Pike Street, Brookfields, which took place on Monday the 15th of September, aged 62. He survived by his children, Mrs. Christiana Idris, Victoria Kamara Taylor in the U.S., and Victor Kamara Taylor Jr., brothers and sisters, Issa Kelvin Kamara, William Freeman of the Slbc TV, and Miss Josephine Freeman. Funeral arrangements will be announced later. Sympathizers may call at his residence, 14 Pike Street, or call on the following numbers: 032 746 224, 099 331 747, or 078 642 132.
Oh
boogeyman say the mountain and fever lion. And we don't see say Salon not strong like iron. And if we try for labor, we go reap the benefit. So many people then when I join me can make me say we like we salon, 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 and we like we salon. We like we salon, like that day. Sweet salon, we like you too much. We sweet salon, we like you pass mark. We sweet salon. Hey! Them fine bobo, oh yeah. Them fine titi, oh yeah. Them fine bobo, tell them. Them fine titi, tell them. Woo! Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f. Do so. Yes! I make a member. Yes, school days. Now we go praise you. We land of the free. Make we show the love where we all want to see. Make we gather, we set now, so we continue. Make we sing this sing for we native land. Salon, we like you, bad one. Oh, yeah. Yes, Mama Salon. We like we salon. We got love for you. Beaucoup love. Baby, love. Hey, we like you. We like we salon. Woo! Oh, hey, Salon. We like we salon. You make a member. Capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c. Let's have a dance. Give me another chance, 'cause I have really needed you. I'm still the same. I've played a waiting game. You ought to know my love is true. So if I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really love you, baby. If I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really love you.
answer I need. I've got a ring and lots of pretty things. Somehow I aim to succeed. So if I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. So if I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. You see, this picture shows you how lonely I have been. I've always been on the outside looking in. Yeah, see what I mean? It would be a happy feeling if I could hold you and kiss you again. Now you're with me, I can really make you see that only true love can win. Oh, if I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. If I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. You see, this picture shows you how lonely I have been. I've always been on the outside looking in. Yeah, see what I mean? It would be a happy feeling if I could hold you and kiss you again. Now you're with me, I can really make you see that only true love can win. If I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. If I've hurt you, I'm sorry. Darling, don't you worry, 'cause I really, really love you, baby. Sing on, Masco.
Come we say hello, 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 everybody.
Tell them
say hello, 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 everybody.
Show them
in case you don't know them, I call him Body Man. And sometimes he come out in dress in black. Him gonna lead you the way, me say straight from the back. I through them, I talk with them, I say him no slack. So really the girl them I love Bunny Mac. This a Bunny Mac style. I tell you this a Bunny Mac style. Say what? Hey, you saw them style here, so really and true them wicked and wild. You just come out in fashion all the while, you know. Come say 1 and 1 and 2, come make me tell you what to do. Say 2 and 1 and 3, say we want to be free. Say 3 and 1 and 4, you better open up your door. 'Cause 4 and 1 and 5, even be they come out live. Say 5 and 1 and 6, you better keep your funny tricks. Say 6 and 1 and study, say that's 7 days a week. Say each and every day, say he really love you so. He love you from the heart and then he love you from the start. He love you from the heart and he will never part. This a lover dog style. I tell you this a Bunny Mac style. On your mark, say you better get set. Boy, you have been tell me what to get. On your mark, say you better get set. Don't you ever forget. This a Bunny Mac style. I tell you this a Bunny Mac style. May your gentle soul rest in perfect peace. Legendary Bunny Mac. Always remember him.
worse, so you go better. Only if we come together as one, we gon' make a change with a positive plan. Salon the land that we love, let we make we continue. There is no place like home, we for live as family. I'm a tick now they broke, we all know one inside Salon. Salon the land that we love, let we make we continue. There is no place like home, we for live as family. I'm a tick now they broke, we all know one inside Salon. Tire for the labo, let we come together for good before. Beautiful people, wonderful nation. Let we tie and fight against corruption. Salon better one, it ain't now we on. Let we walk as one, for better we land. Blood is thicker than water. We all are brothers and sisters. If we all come together, then the future go better. Salon the land that we love, let we make we continue. There is no place like home, we for live as family. I'm a tick now they broke, we all know one now inside Salon. Salon the land that we love, let we make we continue. There is no place like home, we for live as family. I'm a tick now they broke, we all know one now inside Salon. Tire for the labo, let we come together for good before. Salon, Salon, yeah, Salon. Say, what we the fence we say, what we the super we say, more less disgrace we say. And I know why, with the suffer we say, fet we say, neglect we say. And I know, some say na politics, some say na bad habit. But tell me, how we go grow? Some say na tribalism, some say na nepotism. Tell me, how we go grow? Mama, Salon, we owe it to you. We gon' do all thing where we go able for better we owe. Mama, Salon, may God bless you. We gon' change real attitude and ready for better we own. Salon the land that we love, let we make we continue. There is no place like home, we for live as family. I'm a tick now they broke, we all know one now inside Salon. Salon the land that we love, let we make we continue. There is no place like home, we for live as family. I'm a tick now they broke, we all know one now inside Salon. Tire for the labo, let we come together for good before. Tire for the labo, let we come together for good before.
Yo, 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 yo. Sissy. B-O-G-O-A-T, that latest full time, so my young boat stuff for soup, pepper soup. Step in the roof, grab mic and boss line and blaze more fire on the roof. See. Me competition and myself, champion girl, so me mission at the belt. Win more trophies, put on me shelf so I can change by myself if the vision no reflects. Destined for greatness, no room for weakness. Aim for the apex, go for the paycheck. I no care for laugh. If I want joke, I go call Kindo. I no tire for the work. To say me reach now only God can. Bad y'all still there. 2 decades me run this place. Even when I'm gone 10 years later, they can feel my space. Mon ami, no able mon ami. All I see is me versus me, and I only me go able me. So no bring you versus me. Most of them are social media wanna be. Long time una no say after me na me. Now we pull up and chat and pull up and brag. Now me get the school so no put up and class. That you secondary energy go put up and walls. I go kill you now with kick if you put up and bars. My energy is different.
Yeah.
Automatic is the system. So join me, celebrate. Or you die there by you hate. Mon ami, no able mon ami. All I see is me versus me. And I only me go able me. So no bring you versus me. Most of them are social media wanna be. Long time when I know say after me na me. Do it for the paper, we know the faker. Not the first for space, get plenty acres. F to the haters, the undertaker. Disrespect, now we know the taker.
Legendary, making history, I'm in the mainstream. Necessary, cause to every plug, me not the main switch. Who you know they pull the flavor where they know they get sweet. Still they top the A-list, even when the game switch.
Let we pull up on chat and pull up on brag. Now me get the school, so no put up on class. That you secondary energy, go put up on walls. I go kill you now with kick if you put up on bars. Yeah. My energy is different.
Yeah.
Automatic is the system. So join me, celebrate. Or you die there by you hate.
Each I can measure sound.
I try to close my heart from loving, but love is always playing tricks on me. This girl really, really loving me, but she out here lacking. And everybody all around me tell me different things about her. Can't really believe in what they told me until I saw it with my own eyes. They be like, oh my days, she didn't love me when I didn't feel like the waste. Oh my days, girl, I love the way you wind your waist. Oh man, girl, you make me the crazy. You don't make me crazy, so but I won't feel for your love.
Make sure you don't stick around.
Chill for the one, miss is for the guys, cause everybody passes around.
Don't go back, no, then you're not guy. Jackie sis, I guess it's my turn right now.
Just make sure you send her back to the streets where she belongs.
She said if I ain't got no followers, she don't wanna follow me right back. She said if I ain't got this style, she ain't fucking with me like that. Oh, nah, nah, nah. So I know that you ain't gon' buy I just give a fuck about your boyfriend in this moment. I just want to see where this night goes. I could be a Timuko, we no mama. No need no meeting. But the jail is shaka, shaka, shaka. Me and me, muna ni peda. Joba si uni onyeshe. Katika marafiki zako, mina taka wewe to. Girl, I wanna have you tonight, but make sure you don't stick around.
For the one, miss is for the guys, cause everybody passes around.
Don't go back, no, then you're guy. Joggy Susie, I guess it's my turn right now.
Just need to get sent her back to the streets where she belongs.
When it comes to love, she know how to do it. When it comes to mine, she always approve it. She never let me down like Jesus love Mary. She always hold me down with Basayama and gravy. My cold ginger wine, she the talk of the city. The money coming now, you can see her stacking it. The way she do the wine, the way she do the cocking it. She never fall for one, she always my happiness.
Girl, I wanna have you tonight, but make sure you don't stick around.
Chill for the one, miss is for the guys, cause everybody passes around.
Don't go back, no, then you're guy. Joggy Susie, I guess it's my turn right now.
Just need to get sent her back to the streets where she belongs.
Magic.
It's your boy Muscle.
Says on the mix, then you know it's a hit.
Wicked. I don't got money, but I got.
I am bad flow, we go make man losing seat. Find money, we go make you baby suck me meat. Ask Sam if I come, you go suck the shit.
Ask
Bad man want sky, waiting go on cosign. But not me on time, me then sky next time. I go give them headline, me punchline the box spine. Senorita wine, money man, no they ask if you find. Anything what you want to design. Big boys, no they got the line. So, my baby Cinderella. After spending, I go taking on me collar. Missionary, plus doggy. After coming, then I go on like cookada. Man, for it, give me a plus. My boy, big engineer and Denny. I got 5 girls on me DM, cause I guess she goes on my neck. Real eyes when they blink past stadion. Bitch, then go 10, a ball pass Messi. Now me, my girls, where they always protect me. So me not see anybody who go come test me. Must to pull up in a jet ski. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I get God, me I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I get God. I get God. God, God, God. I get God. God, 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 God. I get God. I get God. God, 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 God. I don't get money, but I get God. That's why your family no like us, so they won't put us for side in them more tight so. But we go fly for nap, they not go sight us, so I don't get money, but I get gonna bun jigger, Godfather. They won't put us for side in them more tight so. But we go fly for nap, they not go sight us, so let me know, give me no. Man, they want to see me down. Man, they way I call me on blood, they want see me fall. Man, they emphasize, but me life, they then give me funds. No one you just say, I beg, gonna give me God. Let me know, give me no. Man, they want to see me down. Man, they way I call me on blood, they want see me fall. Man, they emphasize, but me life, they then give me funds. No one you just say, I beg, gonna give me God. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I get God, me I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I don't get money, but I get God. I get God. I get God. I don't get money, but I get God.
It's borderline ENT.
Bash on the beat.
I don't sacrifice, I know they compromise. I go lay me life, oh. I don't realize me love it no go minimize. It go dey maximize, oh. I turn Bronco to Gucci, Keke to Ferrari. I give you me heart, you take time and you throw away. John to Tucci, Bombay to Miami. I give you me heart, you kapu, you walk away. Are you busy? If I reach your boy, you go marry me. Together forever, for better, for worse. You be say if I rise and I fall, you go catch me. But now you make her feel pain. Nadi pain, nadi pain, deep pain. You make her feel pain. Now I don't realize you blow me like a dynamite. You make her feel like I did die. You make her not get strength anymore for fights. Do me like a mokachi. Scupper me like a fantasy. You told me no need to be searching. If I for don't be for you, you go catch me. I sata, Fatimata. They wanna give me love but I balance them. They say I they make pattern, but you say me not fly catch you. Now you be saying if I reach your boy, you go marry me. Together forever, for better, for worse. You be saying if I rise and I fall, you go catch me. But now you make her feel pain. Nadi pain, nadi pain, deep pain. You make her feel pain. I I give you me heart, you take time and you throw away. Young Toto Tucci, Bombay to Miami. I give you me heart, you kapu, you walk away. Now you be saying if I reach your boy, you go marry me. Together forever, for better, for worse day. You be saying if I rise and I fall, you go catch me. But now, you make her feel pain. Naughty pain, naughty pain, deep pain. You make her feel pain.
Kindo, I don't even get me out of this mess. I don't get the host back. I have fleets of cars. I don't get money. All you get me, I don't pay and come on. Besides, I get over $150,000.
150, eh?
$1,000.
Serious? No.
Bash on the beat.
I don't sacrifice. Yeah.
As long as I not die, Martin B.
It's blinking the moon.
Twice eyes on the mix.
Yeah.
Baby, they bust me brain on. Now you they ginger me. It's all like a insane on. It's all like say smoke time be. Give me love, oh, give me love, oh. Give me love, oh, baby. Show me love, oh, show me love, oh. Show me love, oh, baby. Anything you want, I go buy 'em. I go buy shoes and design 'em. We go kick 'em like a final. The devil want cry, we go bind 'em. Give me love, oh, give me love, oh. Give me love, oh, baby. Show me love, oh, show me love, oh. Show me love, oh, baby.
Baby, you make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
Baby, you make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
Me beautiful queen, me I love you. No go do anything, me go wrong you. You know you my love, you my boo boo. Say baby so nice how I do you. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. And baby girl too funky. And you know they pan junkie. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Say 1 time, 2 time, 3 now you. The love where I get no to think and 2. You know the woman of my life and me dream come true. Anything where you want to go pimp on you. Me no ever see you with another man. If you know them call me criminal. Them say be a bad, me no animal. I no go marry you, I just waste your time. Baby, you make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
Baby, you make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
da 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 da. My girl, say now you be the one where they light up my world. Oh na 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 na. Cause you be the one where they give me love. When you give me a kiss, make I feel above. Baby too fresh, you don't miss you all. I go love you till the end of the world. Anything you want, I go buy 'em. I go buy shoes and design 'em. We go kick 'em like a final. The devil want cry, we go bind 'em. Give me love, oh, give me love, oh. Give me love, oh, baby. Show me love, oh, show me love, oh. Show me love, oh, baby.
Baby, you make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
Baby, you make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
You make me mind they play like
da 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 da.
Head Jenna Entertainment.
Collab, hein? Don mama come. Konga. Nyanga. Yakakuwa gonga. Foninge nyanga.
Bash on the beat.
Awale muli. Muli.
Wale nyogama, mwabye mudo live sole. Nyamya go piega, benya manyanga tuluiga. Doli jung konga tibenda, zaibine maga DJ adenga. Bashpan de biti de lega, momu bi momu bedo legale. Ale nyama saguma vale, nyimi nyama gabi nisakali. Yedu ijinya huka sabali. Amaga klekle, foni ge fuck with the po. Konga ta winda ta lo pong, nyanga ta we mambo tia jonjo. Muli, wale muli. Muli, wale nyogama, mwabye mudo live sole. Nyamya go piega, benya manyanga tuluiga. Doli jung konga tibenda, zaibine maga DJ adenga. Muli, wale muli. Muli, wale nyogama, mwabye mudo live sole. Nyamya go piega, benya manyanga tuluiga. Doli jung konga tibenda, zaibine maga DJ adenga. Gimme that you kata kumbe, nagibata yeri kumbe. Now babo de na de tere, okada jabia himya mapere. We take control them, give me Gia take control them. We take control them, give me Gia take control them. Banunga baby, Brazil de ka amu baby. Bigu buloko biahu, sebo Jimmy nigo do po wahu. Bigu buloko biahu, sebo Jimmy nigo do po wahu. We take control them, give me Gia take control them. Muli, wale muli, muli, wale nyogama, mwabye mudo live sole. Nyamya go piega, benya manyanga tuluiga. Doli jung konga tibenda, zaibine maga DJ adenga. Muli, wale muli, muli, wale nyogama, mwabye mudo live sole. Nyamya go piega, benya manyanga tuluiga. Doli jung konga tibenda, zaibine maga DJ adenga.
It's Bash on the beat.
If it ain't about the money, I ain't talking. Nigga, keep it walking. Money on my mind, tryna flex with a Birkin. Big body Benz pulling up when I'm parking. Keep him on a leash, cause these niggas stay. If it ain't about the money, the moolah, I queen the ruler. I got the cheddar, the bread, and the gouda. I turn him on, make him watch as I hula. He tryna flex, make him spend for that gouda. Bad bitch, super shallow. Tryna see the money stack, poking from his shadow. I ain't fucking with a nigga if he ain't got a title. Money keep me busy, always counting, never idle.
See, I know kinda this world, yeah, so for suffer. Man get plenty money, I this I'm tryna get me time, baby, wait till you they offer. Big money, big spending, me not big bluffer. I call the shots round here, I make the moves round here. I want the money, sweets like a honey. You gotta spend, my dear, and I gotta let them know I only chop the dough. I don't want the silver, don't want the copper, I only rock the gold.
Yo, me not sweet speaking, but I guess streets cred. Make the man they know from the jump that I eat bread. Louis V, deep down no sober, they fits med. Shut down the tongue, east end down to peace. You able to talk to me? It's Swallow baby on the spotlight. My time is money, so you better get your clock right. Niggas booking trips, cause they know a bitch top flight. Pretty when it sits, and they know my shit dumb tight. He tongue tied. Tryna wake up to a brand new Lexus for breakfast. Hit a Fino X, let them blink out my necklace. Ask all my exes who they best sexes. I backs it up so I could come reckless.
So for suffer, man get plenty money at his coffer. Tryna get me time, baby, wait till you they offer. Big money, big spending, me not big bluffer. I call the shots round here, I make the moves round here. I want the money, sweets like a honey. You gotta spend, my dear, and I gotta let them know I only chop the dough. I don't want the silver, don't want the copper, I only rock the gold.
See, I I know kinda this world, yeah, so for suffer. Man get plenty money, yeah, they scoff. I'm tryna get me time, baby, we see you they offer. Big money, big spending, me not big bluffer. I call the shots round here, I make the moves round here. I want the money, sweet like a honey. You gotta spend my dear, and I gotta let them know I only chop the dough. I don't want the silver, don't want the copper, I only rock the gold.
One eye no be rude guy, so you know I'm a rude guy. Yourself, you're a rude girl. When you move to the rhythm, on my heart just sitting green. Call me into your room now, I can show you what I deliver. Oh my chocolate skin girl, a chocolate skin girl. Oh my chocolate skin girl, a chocolate skin girl. Feel like Coca-Cola, taste like Fanta. Okay, your booty just too juicy. Give me something where you go cool my temper. My body too hot like a
Shorty so bad, she's an ebony. She love the way I rub on her melanin. Ecstasy give me different kind of energy. She gon' overdose on my sugar cane. I'm down for making love. 60 rounds in my gun, then I make it pop. Mr. Candyman, I take you to the candy shop. Give me chocolate, I know you want my lollipop, yeah. Oh, the waistline, roll down your waistline. Show me now your type of behind. Jelly so sweet and delicious. Addicted, might need a return.
Oh, the waistline, roll down your waistline. Show me now your type of behind. Jelly so sweet and delicious. Oh my chocolate skin girl, a chocolate skin girl. Oh my chocolate skin girl, a chocolate skin girl. Feel like Coca-Cola, taste like Fanta. Okay, your booty just too juicy. Give me something where you go cool my temper.
Rap
My body too hot like this.
Come with the Henny and the Jack down, everybody locked down. For the way she done run town. She done sweep me like Poyo from upline. She done freak me like say I don't cook fine. She sabi connect to me bloodline. Oh wow, that's just a great sign. She no get side, she from uptown. Did you get class? She from Cape Mount. Next door, close to Freetown. I saw the baby, then just the wrong town. From Kamakuya straight to Freetown. One girl that work for the big down. She got a big bomb. She drop it like Hiroshima, I didn't know she's a time bomb. Hands down to her bum bum. She got me speaking tongue like she can lick it down.
Chocolate skin girl, a chocolate skin girl. Oh my chocolate skin girl, a chocolate skin girl. Feel like Coca-Cola, taste like Fanta. Okay, your booty just too juicy. Give me something where you go cool my temper. My body too hot like this.
Say if I no get money, me not to you party. You say I will hold like Congolese. Oh no, say me not nobody. You say me serving na kowata, and me salad na try carry. I make a try for change me position. So one day you go call on me, Mr. Money. No hesitate, cause I get money. I get 3 billion now overseas. If you shake body, I go spray money. I said this the true story. If money not there, you not get party. They make me say for they change position. So what did they go call on me? Call on me.
Call on me. Say me I know say me best friend can be me worst enemy. Say me I know say the people I like na them go they jump for. Me mama be tell me say na poor man they can turn to butter. I'm not born for suffer. I go enjoy myself and scatter the dollar.
Big for you don't get money.
Nigga don't get money. Salon DJ, then get money. If you need money, make it call on me.
Call on me, Mr. Money. No hesitate, cause I get money. I get 3 billion overseas. Shake money, I go spray money. I say this that true story. If money no day, you no get money. Make me say for they change position. So when they never call on me. Yeah, call on me. Call on me. Yeah, call on me.
Put me enemies on lockdown. Give them bell and then lock marks. Gif and G, I don't give them bench. Give them fire for fire. This life is a story. Everybody gets young. I don't make a once and not keep forcing. They must call on me.
Call on me, Mr. Money. No hesitate, cause I get money. I get 3 billion overseas. If you shake body, I go spray money. I said this that true story. If money no day, you no get money. They make me say for they change position. So when they go call on me,
I can make you smell like dollar. Oh, call on me. I go play you like a bowler. Oh, call on me. I want press you like a button. Oh, call on me. I want spoil you like 2 routine. Oh, call on me. Yeah.
Alman on the mix.
Call on me. Call on me. Call on me.
Nigga done.
I don't know. Hey. Oh yeah, yeah. Oh woo woo. Whoa. Eddie Pop one. I don't blow. God know they tired. He lift me up from the bottom of the pit. From the skies, now my limit. Put sugar for me tea. I don't blow. God know they tired. He raised me up from the bottom of the pit. From the skies, now my limit. Put sugar for me tea. Where they badmouth me, where they talk about me, where they criticize me. Buddha! Where me feast I no go make them. Just what I got the shape, you must spot on me, babe. Buddha! Where's your holy pass me, if you say go bang me, try fuck on them. Buddha! We go one contest, where the part on this I've been hustling for too long. Tell me who's you been there. Hey. Now it's time for celebration, you got something to say. Hey. I don't know. God know they tired. He lift me up from the bottom of the pit. From the skies, now my limit. Put sugar for me tea. I don't blow. God know they tired. He raised me up from the bottom of the pit. From the skies, now my limit. Put sugar for me tea. So you can bring me down, no way. I might be poor, but I'm okay. I got my dreams and I know one day. I know one day. I know one day. Yeah. Say the God will open me, my team must put food there. Yeah. Don't say Almighty God must make a way. So if you don't know me, please don't try me. I'ma work hard cause my aim is a Grammy. I'ma win one, not just a nominee. So if you don't want my progress, sit and get it behind me. I don't blow. God know they tired. He lift me up from the bottom of the pit. From the skies, now my limit. Put sugar for me tea. I don't blow. God know they tired. He raised me up from the bottom of the pit. From the skies, now my limit. Put sugar for me tea.
Yo, haters keep making me. I know they see. I keep making my money. You they but I like key. Hits after hit, we just they have a fee. I'm in love with God. The money they look after me. Not be single waiting people they talk on me. Life is short. I'm trying to make the best of it. Not stop at YouTube, Papa got the answer. Moves crazy delivery. Flavor just like an ecstasy. Sabi compose leaves like a weed. Make the cripple dance and make the blind see. Make Granny and Grandpa dance to salon beats. Be the guy of salon in every street. Sabi toast corn and the baba see. Sabi chef well, what go one for see. Cause we the dopest, and you the lowest. We chillin' big time, making shows overseas.
I don't blow. God know they tired. He lift me up from the bottom of the pit. From the skies, now my limit. Put sugar for me tea. I don't blow. God know they tired. He raised me up from the bottom of the pit. From the skies, now my limit. Put sugar for me tea.
Twex our music to the wall. President on this one again. I done this song for a long time. Myself want this money now. They say money stop nonsense. I want insult poverty. I don't tell with backbench. Myself want lead this conference. I talk for it for taxi. Myself want ride the Bentley. I done this song for a long time. Myself want this money now. They say money stop nonsense. I want insult poverty. I don't tell with backbench. Myself want lead this conference. I talk for it for taxi. Myself want ride the Bentley. Man no go tire for reach to the top. They work for Nike but not get Nike. Man done the hustle for me 224. But baby no one patient. Man they no one patient. But baby blow. No to become a pocket empty means say man no romantic. Now nigga cup of vat in a basket. It they make the face say man a rascal. Man get the money but no once. But baby no one patient. Man they no one patient. But baby blow. No to become a pocket empty means say man no romantic. Done this song for a long time. Myself want this money now. They say money stop nonsense. I want insult poverty. I don't tell with backbench. Myself want lead this conference. I talk for it for taxi. Myself want ride the Bentley. I done this song for a long time. Myself want this money now. They say money stop nonsense. I want insult poverty. I don't tell with backbench. Myself want lead this conference. I talk for it for taxi. Myself want ride the Bentley. Because of this money, man no get voice na family meeting. Because of this money, my baby back follow Yahoo boy. Because of this money, DJ turn down me song then. Because of this money, my party always starts life reject me. Because of this money, the pain way man see no easy. Me self want this money, we go come with small blessing. No go thief, no go kill, man no go do bad for good reason. I can always stay legit, say Papa God can bless me. I done this song for a long time, myself want this money now. They say money stop nonsense, I want insult poverty. I don't tell with backbench, myself want lead this conference. I talk for it for taxi, myself want ride the Bentley. I done this song for a long time, myself want this money now. They say money stop nonsense, I want insult poverty. I don't tell with backbench, myself want lead this conference. I talk for it for taxi, myself want ride the Bentley.
Bash on the beat.
Sonia.
What a man make can. Baby girl, this is beauty, not a man made. No. This big waist, not a machine, not a handmade. No. Baby girl, this is beauty, not a man made. No. This is big waist, not a machine, not a handmade. Not a what a man make can. So baby, just so you know, I dey feel your body and soul. I dey call you from me head to your toe. Yeah, I dey met by you like I know ever met before. So baby, just so you know, I dey feel your body and soul. I dey call you from me head to your toe. Yeah, I dey met by you like I know ever met before.
Mabye mukilia magagiti ya benyini na maba. Kaya kula manyale miagala ideka. Tulu wine pago bele gani from above. Kolabo bandigo ganya di fami adeka. Sabi make style pa any mic I say none of them. Man they just dey and I no keep none of them. For impressor collabo you no want all of them. Iyo swag uja gonyali mama tago. Maya gije my things. Your body me a tell valley as to my things. Already a demand of a natural thing. Never go gak ban for protect that thing. Jama matago alende. Kagale magundu gadende. Nyandego wagama ganu gabembe. Nyamya kalima sibia gefa ga hebembe. Nyamya ga hebembe.
Baby girl, this beauty not a man-made. No, no, no. This request not a machine, not a handmade. No, 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 no. Baby girl, this beauty not a man-made. No, no, no. This request not a machine, not a handmade. No, no, no. Not a what a man make can. So baby, just so you know, I dey feel your body and soul. I dey call you from me head to your toe. And I dey made for you like I know ever made before. So baby, just so you know, I dey feel your body and soul. I dey call you from me head to your toe. And I dey made for you like I know ever made before. That's what a man make can. That's what a man make can.
Ni konga kweta lo pongo ya magamisa le kani go fight at to bone. Kului ya bobo sale do po. Nike correct ko jalu ya to bone. Uti embego begwa pelila ayela sale ga unina begwa melila. Konga tila pia kwanya hiya bijiva sina va taya mone manyali masiviva. No e jabie ina jembo sabiki you with the love day not the fake bo. Be agba single lo abie na make a bet bo. No go left for other baby you back a set bo. Jama matago alende. Kagale magundu gadende. Nyandego wagama ganu gabembe. Nyamya kalima sibia gefa ga hebembe. Nyamya ga hebembe.
Baby girl, this beauty not a man-made. No, no, no. This request not a machine, not a handmade. No, 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 no. Baby girl, this beauty not a man-made. No, no, no. This request not a machine, not a handmade. No, no, no. Not a what a man make can. So baby, just so you know, I dey feel your body and soul. I dey call you from me head to your toe. And I dey made for you like I know ever made before. So baby, just so you know, I dey feel your body and soul. I dey call you from me head to your toe. And I dey made for you like I know ever made before.
It's Bash on the beat.
Turn up the shit a little bit. It's AC on this one. Big Drip. Aldin, aka the Rap King. AC5 representing West Africa. Taking over.
Hanging with my niggas out of spot. You niggas puzzle, we connect the dots. Shawty love the way I hit the spot. Now I ain't coughing, shawty, you a dot. I'm with a gang, I'll be in the parking lot. Foreign whips fill up the parking spot. Roll it up, we going off the lot. Weirdo, you can't hang, you cop a lot. House party, bout to turn it up. Speakers, bangers, my shit buzzing up. AC5, the mob, we taking off. 80 up, my city, we run it up. Double cover, nigga, I lean with it. Niggas hate, but ladies rock with it. Do my dance, pop and lock with it. Shorty twack it, then she drop with it. Pick it up and push up on me, put your back in it. GPS to the money, put some bands on it. She super bag, I make loving on it. She make it clap, I throw some rocks on it. Why you mad? Why you hating, homie? I do the math, I calculate you, homie. You ain't ballin', why you copying, homie? Fuck nigga, all what you saying, I don't know you, homie. Hanging with my niggas out of spot. You niggas puzzle, we connect the dots. Shawty love the way I hit the spot. Now I ain't coughing, shawty, you a dot. I'm with a gang, I'll be in the parking lot. Foreign whips fill up the parking spot. Roll it up, we going off the lot. Weirdo, you can't hang, you chop a lot.
Diamonds on my chain. Here to seal my pain. Game money, my dream. Joy on my team. AC, we blessed. AC, we fresh. AC, we ballin'. The boy got no stress. Yeah, fucking a nigga won't fuck with me. Tell the niggas we MOBs. Papa B's MOB. Tell the niggas we VIP. This not hit song. I they killin' with the melody. We not number one. Head sorry for the jealousy. Yeah, peace and unity. Forget about the jealousy. AC, clean like the Pharisees. Superstar, living in a overseas. Number one, I can kill you with my prophecy. Huh? Why you mad? Why you hating, homie? I do this, man, I calculate you, homie. Fuck a nigga, you can never stand me. Aldin, I'm the king, representing SC5.
Hanging with my niggas out the spot. You niggas pause where we connect the dots. Shawty love the way I hit the spot. Now I ain't coughing, shawty, you a dot. I'm with the gang, I'll be in the parking lot. Foreign whips fill up the parking spot. Roll it up, we going off the lot. Weirdo, you can't hang, you cop a lot. Why you mad? Why you hating, homie? I do the math, I calculate you, homie. You ain't ballin', why you copy, homie? Fuck nigga, all what you saying, I don't know you, homie.
Feed juice in a ass. Them boy, them a energy drainer. No one see my luck through. Yeah, and them a watch me business like a drone now. Allow the boy you. We young, no one see we talk. Allow the boy you. All they want, force we downfall. Allow the boy you. Why you the bad mind me? Why you the envy? Allow the boy you. All they want, force we downfall. Bad mind, no one see man progress. Them upset with they hear about me success. They want see man jobless. They never know say success not the mindset. Say me get all the concept. Unstoppable vision, give me access. Way man cruise. They want make a me tire bus proof. Allow the boy you. We young, then no one see we talk. Allow the boy you. All they want, force we downfall. Allow the boy you. Why you the bad mind me? Why you the envy? Allow the boy you. All they want, force we down me. Why you the envy? Allow the boy you. All they want, force we downfall. 365 days, 24/7 man they pray. I know say I don't get me ticket fee go heaven anyway. They no believe it how man do it. Now them go shock when get to boy do it. They want make a me heart stop beat. But them a bad mind, I swear them a witch. But me no mind them. Not the way with them and them. Me no know who send them. If they try me, I swear we go beg them. Allow the boy you. We young, then no one see we talk. Allow the boy you. All they want, force we downfall. Allow the boy you. Why you the bad mind me? Why you the envy? Allow the boy you. All they want, force we downfall. If you see how they climb up the ladder, are you free embrace me like your brother? You know fi bad mind me no way. Fuck who don't like me. Fuck who don't like me, no. Fuck who don't like me. Fuck who don't like me, no. Them boy, them a energy drainer. No one see my luck through. Yeah, and them a watch me business like a drone now. Allow the boy you. We young, then no one see we talk. Allow the boy you. All they want, force we downfall. Allow the boy you. Why you the bad mind me? Why you the envy? Allow the boy you. All they want, force we downfall. Be juice in a yaso.
Alman on the mix.
some of the girls them a bark while. The cheese close to us, them now back again. Snow Jam Empire. Zumbe, 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 Freetown party, Freetown party. My baby, come rock your body. Zumbe, 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 Freetown party, Freetown party. My baby, come rock your body. They make style, the baby they make style, They walk wild, the baby they walk wild, They make style, the baby to get style. The first they rewind, they make style. What's your name? They make style. Give me the number, they make style. I go 9-0, see they make style. They begin for cook, they make style. They say you want to see they make style. Zumbe, 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 Freetown party, Freetown party. My baby, come rock your body. Zumbe, 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 Freetown party, Freetown party. My baby, come rock your body. They make style, the baby they make style, They walk wild, the baby they walk wild, They make style, the baby to get style. Who end up my club, they make style. They wine for me, they make style. The club down close, they make style. We go mommy, oh, see they make style. They rub me back, they make style. We they make style. Zumbe, 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 Freetown party, Freetown party. My baby, come rock your body. Zumbe, 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 Freetown party, Freetown party. My baby, come rock your body. They make style, the baby they make style, They walk wild, the baby they walk wild, They make style, the baby to get style. I give her money, they make style. They fix her lash, they make style. I take on a bank, they make style. For call me name, they make style. They fix Revon, they make style. I give her iPhone, they make style. Zumbe, 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 Freetown party, Freetown party. My baby, come rock your body. Zumbe, 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 Freetown party, Freetown party. My baby, come rock your body.
Banana way, banana wow, banana slip pull mass, banana swap. Banana way, banana wow, banana slip pull mass, banana swap.
This Mickey J's beat.
Come and listen. Mago no like fishing. Why you quitting? Kalo no go bissing. I don't mix me. I don't miss me. Why the loneliness kiss me? Every part of me diss me. Be comfortable like this bit. Affordable like fish cake. Why I able till this day? Every day for God please stay. Bad choice like pain. Actors like dream. Wise words get steam. For cook it gets win. Not so cute pillow they don't they cry. Remember the prayer now you wait side. Don't make them fake you, then take you. Put corner that lily side. Humble like me now, not like fly. They no go tina pay want the sky. Who that's one get for sky. Double not go then head so high. For commode, you for sabi go. Watch where you dey mass, you for sabi good. What's a low, good. What's a low, you reach you, what's a low. Commode, you for sabi go.
Watch where you dey mass you for Sabi road. What's a low, what's a low, what's a low road? What's a low, you reach you, what's a low? I be start, I dey go. I be real, be they fall. Na big hearts, na they know. I be agree, I didn't know. If you just give me like option, give me reduction, even in auction. If the chop that's in a fire, it better it burn before it rots in. Like when you go in along, then you get for cross hits. Not the leader in a road, they wait for passing, impossible. Bombe bridge, samba gotsa. Jack of all trade, for bread and butter. Hey me, yeah, ebo, yeah. For commode, you for sabi go. Watch where you dey mass, you for sabi road. What's a low, what's a low, what's a low road? What's a low, you reach you, what's a low? Commode, you for sabi go. Watch where you dey mass, you for sabi road. What's a low, what's a low, what's a low road? What's a low, you reach you, what's a low? Some promise now, what's a for flask? It's a beef for commons for pass. For ton drink now, for mixing now. That's funny, it the inside glass. They rub boil by me with a splash. They say give a ceiling a chance. Me forehead sharp, me Jordan sharp. For fever like shine a glass. Just hurry home. Gladiator zone. I give a make that. Enemy no. You give a dead. In Waterloo. Just hurry home. Gladiator zone. Enemy no. In Waterloo. For commode, you for sabi go. Watch where you dey mass, you for sabi road. What's a low, what's a low, what's a low road? What's a low, you reach you, what's a low? Commode, you for sabi go. Watch where you dey mass, you for sabi road. What's a low, what's a low, what's a low road? What's a low, you reach you, what's a low?
Tell
needs another one.
Tell me where we going from
Africa, stand up. Come on. One eye for eye gon' make we all blend. Africans wake up cause we all blind. I'm down for straight with the border in Africa. How can I be a black foreigner in Africa? I'm looking to the future, see no future. Hunger, starvation, drugs and prostitution. Political amendment, need new constitution. Oh God, oh gosh, there'll be no future.
Nadabaru et Allah, Allah. They make me go to scatter, scatter. Every day now Allah. People don't they act by but tell me where we going from here. Tell me where we going from here. Oh yeah. Tell me where we going from here. Tell me where we going from here.
Yeah. Sierra Leone, West Africa, Ghana, Nigeria, Mozambique, Kenya, South Africa. Africa, we need peace. One Africa.
I say no pull and pa me. Now sabi make me sweat so. Baby, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No, I say no pull and pa me. No, I say no pull and pa me. Baby, no pull and pa me. I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull up. I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull and pa me. Oh yo, yo. For me, baby, yo. Don't let me go. See, okay, see. Now you sabi pretty pata. Now me no more sabi pretty pata. I gotta give you good loving, pretty pata. I say no worry, baby girl, tell me what's the matter. Say wanna money, wanna night every night and day. I give you good loving every night and day. Wanna money, wanna night every night and day. I give you good loving every night and day. I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull up. I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull and pa me.
Girl, you love inside me. You dey burn like a fire. I go love you forever. I no go tire. If you pull and pa me, you go pinch like a plier. I for you sake make so. We dey sing like a choir. You sabi for ziggy ziggy zo, ziggy zo. Every night you dey gimme more, give me more. You sabi for ziggy ziggy zo, ziggy zo. Every night you dey gimme more.
I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull up. I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull and pa me. Girl, I want me, I get so. I say no pull and pa me. Now you sabi make me sweat so. Baby, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No, I say no pull and pa me. No, I say no pull and pa me. Baby, no pull and pa me. I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull up. I say no pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. I say no pull and pa me. No pull up, no pull up, no pull and pa me. Baby, but no pull and pa me. I'm a banker. I'm a banker. I'm a banker.
Under the leadership of the President, His Excellency Dr. Julius Madabio, the PDCD, Presidential Delivery Units, Office of the President, they bring this message for the all man who says Salon don't get the own human capital development strategy. Stand alone strategy for all and with human.
HCD, now the key for we nation. And we want the people, make them build up in education. So that the skill go grow and the knowledge go expand. Then leadership go rise up and then talent go they stand. Yeah. Performance align with the goal we set. Innovation go they flow with no regrets. Invest in the people at the real foundation. Human capital they drive the transformation.
The only way where we go grow. The only way where this country go before. The only way where we go grow. The only way where we country go better. Human capital development strategy. Now we lifeline. Human capital development strategy. Now we lifeline. Human capital development strategy. Now we lifeline. Human capital development strategy. Now we lifeline.
Afumamino, Tilamino, Marinumbo, Tilamino, a human capital development strategy. And Putoyantilaye, Saitan, Sitakia, Maranesu, Karamaranentofi.
Kohino, Imansakalamanu Apa. For every heart, for every place, we stand Kidigba. If I hold you and you hold me,
it's a lie. Yeah, I will know. Your borders, yeah, I. Human capital development, mo wala inabiyaga ilang Kenema kono. Amu ya go ya, yeah. I will know message ma. Mada kwe we are. Come we go, baby go. Benya de go, madam ya. Free education, madam ya. What it be like till I kono? What it be like till I what I love? Mada kwe we are. Yeah.
Now human capital development strategy for secure with future. Human capital development strategy. We go make we country grow. Nice standalone strategy. We go make we country grow. Nice standalone strategy. Human capital development strategy. Human capital development strategy. Now for secure with future. And a strategic approach. We go impact skills and knowledge. We got to know it's a standalone strategy. Nice standalone strategy. And the focus now for invest in people, for drive growth, innovation and productivity. And that's they provide opportunities for we. That's now skill building, upskilling, reskilling. How you got the feeling?
Education and capacity building for the country better one. In the impact, knowledge and critical thinking and problem solving abilities. With presidents, the wise man with vision and innovation. You know exactly what we need.
Now human capital development strategy for secure with future. Human capital development strategy. We go make we country grow. Nice standalone strategy. We go make we country grow. Nice standalone strategy. Human capital development.
If you see we can't see the progress, now the kind that way we get. Human capital development, not in vision, and it don't turn out to emission. Because enough for safe, for secure the future. If I invest on the people, and I invest in healthcare, education and capacity building, and a long-term investments, not a cosmetic, sustainable light and good road. Madabio don't do one for we, so that we can do one for the popularization
of the human capital development strategy. Of the human capital development, nice standalone strategy. Now human capital development strategy for secure with future. Human capital development strategy. We go make we country grow. Nice standalone strategy. We go make we country grow. Nice standalone strategy.
capital development strategy.
Yeah, baby.
Can somebody tell me?
You know, some men and the woman, the police, right?
Yeah. Can somebody tell me?
I just want to rest here, put you on myself.
It's like a dream come true when I set my eyes on you, on you. Me, I go introduce you to the things you know when they don't see, when they don't see. And I'll prove to you I mean every word that I say, that I say. See you love not like your water, I like you vex for me no matter. Two-Face say you are my African queen. P-Squad say no one be like you. Remember bracket you don't tell we say you not the girl with the make them yo. CJ Max say he care for you. Pupa Baja say you not an angel. Emma say don't tell we say let we dance to this tutu party. Did you find like I said the rock by you don't need. When you can talk your voice not like a honey. Then you shape self no money. Everybody want for spend you. No worry, come to me. I go give you all the love you want. No worry, come to me. I go give you all the love you want. Nobody else, nobody else. See nobody can love you like me. Nobody else, nobody else. me bread and butter, and we love the flow, fitty fatter. Alex, if we no get, it no matter. Once we love, no scatter. See if you cry, I go tell you hush. Now me want you, now me for rush. Me I go stand by your side, and for better or for worse, if I no married you, now me go lost. Listen, girl, Two-Face say you are my African queen. P-Squad say no one be like you. Remember bracket, you don't tell we say. You not the girl with the make them yoli yoli. LHS say get money for you not the bank. Cow they never say go give you anything. Me beg don't tell you say from now on you go be me own teddy bear, teddy bear. And I mean every word that I say. And I hope you believe. Till you find like I said the rock but you don't need. When you get talk your voice not like a honey. Hey, you shape self no money. Everybody want for spend you. No worry, come to me. I go give you all the love you want. No worry, come to me. I go give you all the love you want. Nobody else, nobody else. See nobody can love you like me. Nobody else, nobody else, nobody else. I promise you anything you ask for. I go promise you anything you want me. I promise you anything you ask for. And I go make sure I don't lie to you. I promise you anything you want me. I go promise you anything you ask for. I promise you, baby, yeah. Nobody else, nobody else. See nobody can love you like me. Nobody else, nobody else, nobody else. See I do not take chance. Nobody no gonna love you like me. Nobody else. No, no, no. See nobody, nobody.
One eye no be rude guy, so you know I'm a rude guy. Yourself, you're a rude girl. When you move to the rhythm, oh my heart just singing. Call me into your room now, like I show you what I deliver. Oh my chocolate skin girl, my chocolate skin girl. Oh my chocolate skin girl, my chocolate skin girl. Feel like Coca-Cola, taste like Fanta. Got your booty just to juicy. Give me something where you go cool my temper. My body too hot like a
shawty so bad, she's an ebony. She love the way I rub on her melanin. Ecstasy give me different kind of energy. She gon' overdose on my sugar cane. I'm down for making love. 60 rounds in my gun, then I make it pop. Mr. Kenema, I take you to the candy shop. Give me chocolate, I know you want my lollipop, yeah. Oh, the waistline, roll down your waistline. Show me now your type of behind. Jelly so sweet and delicious. Addicted, might need a return.
The waistline, roll down your waistline. Show me now your type of behind. Jelly so sweet and delicious. Oh my chocolate skin girl. My chocolate skin girl. Oh my chocolate skin girl. My chocolate skin girl. Feel like Coca-Cola, taste like Fanta. Got your booty just to juicy. Give me something where you go cool my temper. Rap body too hard like a this.
come with the Henny and the Jack down. Everybody locked down for the way she done run town. She done sweep me like Poyo from upline. She done freak me like say I don't cook fine. She sabi connect to me bloodline. Oh wow, that's just a great sign. She no get side, she from uptown. The Jew get class, she from Cape Mount. Next door, close to Freetown. I saw the baby, they just the wrong town. From Kamakuya straight to Freetown. One girl they work for the big gun. She got a big bomb. She drop it like Hiroshima, I didn't know she's a time bomb. Hands down to her bum bum. She got me speaking tongue like shaky lick it down down.
Chocolate skin girl. A chocolate skin girl. Oh my chocolate skin girl. A chocolate skin girl. Sweet like Coca-Cola, taste like Fanta. Get your booty just too juicy. Give me something where you go cool my temper. My body too hot like it is.
Yeah. Girl picking wahala. Girl picking stress. It's a miser. No give up. Girl picking, no give up. Focus. No give up. Girl picking, no give up. Hold tight. Hey. Y'all picking for better. 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 You can be doctor, lawyer, mechanic. Go for a dream, no panic. Show the world say you self can do and with positive mind and habits. If you never land book, well land walk. Be the backbone or you man broke. If you hand right, make you hand soak. And pray to God, make the plan walk. Left the bad paddy, the alcohol, the chilling and the shisha. Also be fully family pa money. Left for waste to tell me sister. No give up. Y'all picking, no give up. Focus. No give up. Y'all picking, no give up. Patient. Hey, y'all picking for better. 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 Listen, know what your family background is here, then watch your side they go. No excuse, just make them move. Not give up, cause you never know. Respect yourself. I'm talking about self-respect. Even though we all the fed forget. Not put yourself side, go wreck yourself. My sister, check yourself. If help not there, not for help yourself. Take all the wrong and correct yourself. If line not there, well connect yourself. No condition is permanent. Myself now one of the evidence. Beauty mixed with intelligence. Y'all picking self for the relevant.
No give up.
Y'all picking, no give up.
Focus. No give up.
Y'all picking, no give up.
Hold tight. Hey. Y'all picking for better.
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 Y'all picking for better, yeah. Shout out to all the organization them where they empower girl picking them. One love. It's a miser.
Girl, I want you right by me forever. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Oh, gosh. Big folk and country up in these, yeah.
It's Bash on the beat.
Girl, I want you right by me forever. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Oh, I only see you, I don't see no other. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Me want shine you love letter. Me want you, now me lie. Yeah, me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl. Me want send you love letter. Me want you, now me life. Me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl but you.
Girl, you get the game, you feel by FIFA. Are you fine, so I know that you fever. Happiness so with the love, cause I see far. Back in the days, baby, you know me neighbor. Give me one chance for make I love you. Whispering on here just to keep it laughing. I'm addicted to your love, I can't do without it.
into mine like Illuminati.
Now they kiss with a guy like you and let me go. I know they kiss and tell, baby, that's for sure. You're the queen of my life, I will never let you go. Girl, you bad like Zizi.
Girl, I want you right by me forever. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Oh, I only see you, I don't see no other. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Mine. Me want send you love letter. Me want you na me life. Yeah. Me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl. Me want send you love letter. Me want you na me life. Me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl but you.
Yeah, girl, how you bad so? I like the way you cool and relax so. Turn around, baby, what's in cack so? Hold up on you, girl, I bet by your swag. Louis on the bag, put you on the glasses. Perfume smell so sweet, Victoria's Secret. Everybody know you classic, not a secret. Since Bamisaga, I'm a big girl crush. Wish no flat, let you jacket. I stop be fighting, that make now you a take. You find by them all and not a party bit. Girl, you bad like Sissy, give it.
Girl, I want you right by me forever. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Oh, I only see you, I don't see no other. Will you be mine? Please, baby, mine. Mine. Me want send you love letter. Me want you na me life. Yeah. Me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl. Me want send you love letter. Me want you na me life. Me not see no other girl but you. Me not see no other girl but you.
It's Bash on the beat.
Hello everyone. 大家好. Welcome to today's Everyday Chinese. In our first unit, we focus on how to ask questions between you and one person. In today's lesson, let's find out how to talk about a group of people, such as we, they, and the plural you. Now let's get started. First, listen to today's conversations.
妈妈，他是刘伟，他是王丹，他们都是我的朋友。
你们好，很高兴认识你们。
你们都会说英语吗？
我会说。
我也会说。
李强，他们都是中国人吗？
是的，他们都是中国人。
Still remember how we say I, you, he, and she. I is 我 You is 你 He or she is 他 To say their plural forms such as we, you, and they, we simply add a suffix after it. This suffix is 们 which is a neutral tone. As you know, I is 我 So we or us is 我们 You is 你 So the plural you is 你们 He and she is 他 So they or them is 他们 Now let's have a small quiz of all the personal pronouns. See if you can react quickly.
你们，他，我，你，他们，我们。
Alright, let's use 我们, 你们, and 他们 to make more sentences. For example, say we are Chinese. 我们是中国人。我们是中国人。Now say, they are my friends. The Chinese word for friend is 朋友。So, they are my friends. 他们是我的朋友。他们是我的朋友。In Chinese, we have a word 都 do, which is used to stress what a group of people have in common. Do translates to both or all, as in both of us are Chinese, or all of us like seafood. Now read after me. Do. Take note. Do should be put after the subject and before the verb. For example, to say, they are all my friends, we want to stress the point that all of them are my friends. If we speak the Chinese way, we say, they all are my friends. 他们都是我的朋友。他们都是我的朋友。
他们都是我的朋友。
他们都是我的朋友。Here we put 都 before the verb 是。Let's say all of us like seafood. The verb to like is 喜欢。喜欢。The Chinese word for seafood is 海鲜。海鲜。The first word 海 means the sea. 海 and 鲜 means fresh. 鲜 So seafood literally means sea fresh. 海鲜 Now say all of us like seafood. 我们都喜欢海鲜。
我们都喜欢海鲜。
我们都喜欢海鲜。In fact, it's very common to use 都 in Chinese people's daily conversation, where it seems unnecessary in English. Now, listen to the conversations one more time.
妈妈，他是刘伟，他是王丹，他们都是我的朋友。
你们好，很高兴认识你们。
你们都会说英语吗？
我会说。
我也会说。
李强，他们都是中国人吗？
是的，他们都是中国人。
Have you got it? Today we learned 我们、你们 and 他们 and how to use 都 to express both or all in a sentence. Thanks to our contributors in today's lesson. In our next lesson, we will learn how to ask for someone's surname. I will see you next time. 再见。Hello everyone. 大家好。Welcome to today's Everyday Chinese. In Lesson 3, we've learned how to ask for someone's name. Do you still remember? 你叫什么名字? In a business context, or when you meet an elderly person for the first time, Chinese people often ask his or her surname so as to address him or her in a more formal way. In today's lesson, you will learn how to ask someone's surname. Now let's get started. First, listen to today's conversations.
您贵姓？
我姓王，你呢？
我姓陈，很高兴认识您。
我也很高兴认识你。
您贵姓？
我姓李，你呢？
我姓刘，李先生，你好。
刘女士，你好。
您贵姓？
我姓王。
You may have heard a lot of people asking, 您贵姓？您贵姓？
您贵姓？
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 您贵姓 means what's your surname? 您, as we learned in lesson 1, means you. But 您 is more polite and formal than 你. The next word is 贵. 贵. 贵 means expensive or honorable. For example, to say something is very expensive, you can say 很贵。很贵。
很贵。
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 The last word is 姓。姓。Here, 姓 is a noun which means surname. So altogether, 您贵姓 literally translates to you honorable surname. Listen again.
您贵姓？
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 If a Chinese person asks you, 您贵姓? To answer it, you can use 我姓 plus your surname. In this sentence, 姓 functions as a verb, which means to be surnamed. So, 我姓 literally means I am surnamed. For example, my surname is Wang, so I will say 我姓王。我姓王。Literally, I am surnamed Wang. There are over 5,000 surnames in Chinese. The most common ones are 张, Wang, Li, and Zhao. My question is, if people ask you 您贵姓, can you answer it with 我贵姓 plus your surname? The answer is no. You can never use 我贵姓 to introduce your surname, which doesn't sound very humble in Chinese culture. So take note, you can only use 贵 this word to ask for other people's surname. Now listen and try to catch their surnames.
我姓张。
我姓王。
我姓李。
我姓赵。
Now you know how to ask for a person's surname. To address a female, if you are not sure about her marriage status, you can address her as Miss. The Chinese word for Miss is 女士. 女士. Take note, different from English. The Chinese surname goes before Miss or Mr. For example, to say Miss Wang, we say 王女士. 王女士 instead of 女士王. But if you know she's not married, you can call her Miss, which is 小姐. 小姐. So, Miss Zhang is 张小姐. 张小姐. What about Mr.? The Chinese word for Mr. is 先生. 先生. For example, to say Mr. Li, we say 李先生. 李先生. Now, listen to the following conversations one more time.
您贵姓？
我姓王，你呢？
我姓陈，很高兴认识您。
我也很高兴认识你。
您贵姓？
我姓李，你呢？
我姓刘，李先生你好。
刘女士，你好。
您贵姓？
我姓王。
Up to now, we've learned how to ask for someone's name. 你叫什么名字? And how to ask for someone's surname. 您贵姓? Now, can you introduce your name and your surname? Don't forget to use Miss, 女士, Miss, 小姐, and Mr, 先生, to address a person to show more respect. Thanks to our contributors in today's audio. In our next lesson, we will learn how to ask about one's job. Alright, I will see you next time. 再见. Hello everyone. 大家好. Welcome to today's Everyday Chinese. In today's lesson, we will be looking at how to ask about one's job and how to introduce your job. Ready to get going? Alright, here we go. First, check out today's conversations.
你好，你贵姓？
我姓王，你呢？
我姓陈。
陈女士，你做什么工作？
我是老师，你呢？
我是工程师。
小月，你是学生吗？
是，我是学生。
你的爸爸做什么工作呀？
我的爸爸是老师。
刘芳，你做什么工作？
我是医生，你呢？
我是工程师。
很高兴认识您。
我也很高兴认识您。
To ask, what do you do? In Chinese, we literally ask, you do what job? The Chinese word for to do is 做. 做. 做 is quite a useful verb, as 做 can be used in lots of verb phrases, such as to do sports. We say 做运动. 做运动. To cook, we literally say to do the food. 做饭. 做饭. To make cake, we say 做蛋糕做蛋糕 How would you say the question word what? 什么什么 The Chinese word for job is 工作工作 Take note, the word 做 as in 工作 job is not the same with the 做 in to do. Now let's say it all together. You do what job? 你做什么工作？你做什么工作？ Have a listen.
你做什么工作？
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 To introduce your job, you can use 我是 I am plus your job. Take me for example. I am a teacher. The Chinese word for teacher is 老师老师 So, I am a teacher. 我是老师我是老师 Now let's try to explore more jobs here. Student 学生学生 I am a student. 我是学生
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 我是学生 Engineer 工程师工程师 My father is an engineer. 我的爸爸是工程师
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 Doctor 医生医生 My mother is a doctor. 我的妈妈是医生
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 Now, listen to the conversations one more time.
你好，你贵姓？
我姓王，你呢？
我姓陈。
陈女士，你做什么工作？
我是老师，你呢？
我是工程师。
小月，你是学生吗？
是，我是学生。
你的爸爸做什么工作呀？
我的爸爸是老师。
刘芳，你做什么工作？
我是医生，你呢？
我是工程师。
很高兴认识您。
我也很高兴认识您。
Alright, to recap. Today we've learned how to ask about one's job. 你做什么工作 and how to introduce your job. You can use 我是 I am plus your job. Here, we just listed a few jobs. To find out more, please go to everydaychinese.com for more details. Thanks again to our participants in today's audio. In our next lesson, we will learn how to say, for example, I am busy. I will see you in lesson 14. 再见。Hello everyone. 大家好。Welcome to today's Everyday Chinese. In today's lesson, we will learn how to describe someone or something. For example, how to say I am busy or she is beautiful. Alright, let's get started. First, check out today's conversations.
你忙吗？
我很忙，你呢？
我不忙。
李丽，你好吗？
我很好，你呢？
我也很好，你忙吗？
我很忙。
你认识陈平吗？
是的，我认识。
她漂亮吗？
她很漂亮。
Still remember how we say I'm good? That is, 我很好。In fact, 我很好 literally translates to I very good. But why don't we use a linking verb here, such as I'm is are, which is 是? Say like 我是好. In Chinese, when we want to describe someone or something, for example, to say I am good or she is beautiful, we don't use the linking verb such as I'm is are, which is 是. Instead, we use the word 很, which means very, to link the sentence. To say I am good, we literally say I very good, which is 我很好. To say I am busy, in Chinese, we literally say I very busy. The Chinese word for busy is 忙. So I am busy is 我很忙. 我很忙. Have a listen.
我很忙。
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 How would you say she is beautiful? Yes, we literally say she very beautiful. The Chinese word for beautiful is 漂亮. 漂亮. So she is beautiful translates to 她很漂亮. 她很漂亮. If you are saying this directly to someone, we can replace the word 她, which means she, with 你. Say 你很漂亮. You are beautiful. Hopefully she is happy to hear it. Have a listen.
你很漂亮。
你很漂亮。
你很漂亮. Notice, although the word 很 means very, when we use 很 in this sentence pattern, it doesn't really mean very. It's just a part of the sentence structure. For example, if someone asks you 你好吗? To simply say doesn't make much sense. We need a linking word, which is 很. So to say I am good, you should say 我很好. While native speakers will forgive the mistake, many beginners still fall into the trap of using 是 rather than 很. It takes some time getting used to, but try to remember to use 很 rather than 是 before the adjective. 你们很聪明. You are smart. Now let's find out how to say I am not busy. We simply use the negative word 不 before the adjective. So I'm not busy translates to 我不忙. Literally, I not busy. How would you say she is not beautiful? 她不漂亮. As you notice, in the negative sentence, we don't use the word 很 anymore. Now let's listen to the following conversations one more time.
你忙吗？
我很忙，你呢？
我不忙。
李丽，你好吗？
我很好，你呢？
我也很好，你忙吗？
我很忙。
你认识陈平吗？
是的，我认识。
她漂亮吗？
她很漂亮。
To recap what we will learn today, When we describe someone or something, we simply use the word 很 before the adjective instead of using 是. Alright, that's all for today's lesson. Thanks again to our voice contributors. In our next lesson, we will learn how to count numbers from 1 to 100. It's much easier than you think. I will see you next time. 再见. Hello everyone. 大家好. Welcome to today's Everyday Chinese. In today's lesson, we will learn how to say numbers from 1 to 99. First, let's get started with numbers 1 to 10. 1 1
1
2 2
2
3 3
3
4 4
4
5 5
5
6 6
6
7 7
7
8 8
8
9 9
9
10 10
10
Then let's count from 1 to 10 backwards.
10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1
How to say numbers from 11 to 19? In fact, Chinese numbers are very logical to remember. For example, to say 11, 11 is literally 10 and 1. 10 is 10 and 1 is 1. So 11 is 10 and 1. 10 1 10 1. Now say 12. 12 is literally 10 and 2. 10 is still 10 and 2 is 2. So 12 is literally 10 and 2. 12 12. Now, can you try to say 13 by yourself? 13 is literally 10 and 3. 10 is 10, 3 is 3. So 13 is 10 and 3. 13 13. Then let's try to count from 14 to 19 all together. 14 10 and 4 14
14
15 10 and 5 15
15
16 10 and 6 16
16
17 10 and 7 17
17
18 10 and 8 18
18
19 10 and 9 19
19
Well done. Now let's continue to say 20. 20 is literally 210. So let's say 210 in Chinese. 20. Now say 21. 21 is literally 2 10 and 1. So let's say 2 10 and 1. 21 21. Following the same logic, we can say 22 22 23 23 24 24 25 25 The same pattern can be applied to all numbers up to 99. Now, I will invite other Chinese people to randomly say some numbers for practice.
30 40 70 90 80 60
11 16 17 19 20 13 15
4 6 7 5 3 99
Alright, did you catch all the numbers? To say the numbers smaller than 100, all you need to do is to be familiar with numbers 1 to 10 and simply apply the simple logic to say the numbers which you want. Keep practicing until you can say it out without too much thinking. Thanks again to today's voice contributors. In Lesson 16, you will learn how to ask for one's phone number. I will see you next time. 再见。Hello everyone. 大家好。Welcome to today's Everyday Chinese. Do you still remember how to say the Chinese numbers from 1 to 10? In today's lesson, let's make a practice of the small numbers. For example, how to ask for someone's phone number. Now let's get started. First, check out today's conversations.
刘芳，你的电话号码是多少？
我的电话号码是88642510。
张静的电话号码是多少？
她的电话号码是53648927。
你好，你的电话号码是多少？
我的电话号码是13751318079。你呢？
我的电话号码是158911605221。
妈妈，你的电话号码是多少？
我的电话号码是13714374800。
爸爸的电话号码是多少？
爸爸的电话号码是13509862733。
To ask for someone's phone number, in Chinese, we literally ask, your phone number is how many? The Chinese word for phone is 电话. 电话. Here, the word 电 means electricity, and 话 means talking or words. 电 is a very useful word, as 电 can be combined with other words to mean the appliances powered by electricity. For example, 电视机 TV, 电视机，电灯 lamp, 电灯，电冰箱 refrigerator, 电冰箱，电脑 computer, 电脑。The Chinese word for number is 号码。号码。Now let's see how to ask how many. How many is 多少？多少？ The first word 多 means many. The word 少 means little. When we say 多少 altogether, it becomes a question word, which means how many. 多少 is a very common question word to use when asking about numbers, amounts, and prices. Now let's say it all together. Your phone number is how many? 你的电话号码是多少？ One more time. 你的电话号码是多少？ Have a listen.
你的电话号码是多少？
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 To say the phone number, we only need to read out each number in Chinese. For example, if a phone number is 5534688, how would you say this number in Chinese? 5534688. Have a listen.
5534688。
Now you can answer it by saying like, my telephone number is 我的电话号码是5534688. If your phone number contains a zero in it, you can say 0. 0 is 0. 0. For example, to say the phone number like 2079902. In Chinese we say 2079902. Have a listen.
2079902。
In real life context, you may hear some Chinese people pronounce the number 1 as 1 instead of 1, especially in a phone number. Yes, you actually heard it correctly. Imagine that someone is telling you a phone number in a very noisy environment. You might get confused whether he said 1 or 7. So, Chinese people prefer to read 1 as 1 in phone number in order to distinguish it from the pronunciation of 7, which is 7. Now, let's take a look at how to use 1 to refer to the number 1 in a phone number.
我的电话号码是13751318079。
我的电话号码是158911605221。
Here I've got some Chinese numbers for you to practice.
You have a voice, you know your right, speak out. Nothing will stop us all from speaking out our right. We are girls, not brides. We know our rights, we speak them out. We are girls, not brides. We know our rights, we speak them out.
I'm a girl and not a bride.
Speak out, speak out. You have a voice, just speak it out, oh girl.
They're trying their best to stop our progress with bad propaganda. I mean the foreign press. Bad things are blown out of proportion and spread all around. But the good things of the island they will never mention. They're trying their best to stop our progress with bad propaganda. I mean the foreign press.
Hello and welcome to the program Inside the Media, live from the Sierra Leone Broadcasting Corporation television here at the Broadcasting House, New Englandville in Freetown. Inside the Media is the program that tries to strike conversations around major issues covered by the media within the course of the week. Inside the Media is the program on the Slbc that analyzes or brings in people to analyze major events in the community, especially those covered by the newspapers, television stations, radio stations, and even the new media, which is the social media. But then, just be reminded that views expressed here do not in any way reflect the views of the Slbc, as we are merely reviewing the status, bringing journalists from different media outlets to come discuss some of the key topics discussed by the media within the course of the week. This is Inside the Media, and I am Sheku Smiler.
To stop our progress with bad propaganda. I mean the foreign press. Bad things are blown out of proportion and spread all around.
We are back, and the program you're still watching is Inside the Media, live from Broadcasting House, New Englandville in Freetown. Now, there are a few topics we've selected because, as you may know, within the course of the week, a lot of stories actually come up, but we select few that we'll discuss because of time, or because of probably to be more focused on what the major topics are. Well, in today's edition of the program Inside the Media, we are going to look at President Bio's address to the 80th session of the 19th edition General Assembly in New York, and that is hunger at 80 years since this international body was established. Firstly, it was the League of Nations, but the League of Nations was formed after the First World War. But the need of nations was not able to stand the test of time. and the Second World War broke out, 1945. Well, actually, it ended in 1945. After the war, they decided that now it's time for nations to come together to prevent the recurrence of wars, because the League of Nations had failed, and the Second World War broke out. The thing is, the League of Nations was formed after the First World War to address issues that led to the First World War, but the League of Nations also did not succeed, and we saw the Second World War. Now, after the Second World War, the United Nations was established in 1945 to prevent other world wars. 80 years down the line, so our President Julius Maada was at the 80th session of the United Nations General Assembly, where he made his speech. Well, he went there in different capacities. Though as President of Sierra Leone, he was also there as the chairman for the Committee of 10. That is, a committee of 10 members or member countries set up to advocate for the representation of Africa in the United Nations Security Council. That we are going to thoroughly discuss again this morning. Also, in this edition, we are going to attempt at briefly discussing redistricting. Now, there is a position of government to redistrict this country. In the western area, well, it is expected that we are going to see over local government areas within the western region, and also in the provinces. According to how the discussions are going, there are going to be over districts, from within some other districts. And that also we discussed. And then also briefly, we are going to look at this saga that continues around the suspension of Justice Holloway. All of these and some other side comments by my guest here this morning. This is Inside the Media, and I'm Sheku Sumaila. Well, now I am going to this to introduce. Well, actually, these people I'm about to introduce do not need much introduction, because they are people you know. These are people you've seen on this program several times. But then I just have to do it. But firstly, let me introduce Dan Kamara. Dan, good morning and welcome to the program.
Good morning, Mr. Sheku. Good morning, viewers and listeners.
Yes, I have Lahaiman Sage, also a member of this panel for some weeks now. Welcome to the program once again, Lahai.
Good morning, Sheku. Thank you.
And then we have a man who does not actually need introduction, but then I just have to do it. He is Abdulrahman Kamara, the media analyst.
Which are great at all times, Sheku.
Yes. And then we've just been joined in the studios by somebody who always wears two hats. But then when he takes his seat, I'm going to formally introduce him. For him, he doesn't actually need much introduction. But then when he takes his seat, I'm going to formally introduce him. Now, let us start the conversation proper. And let us talk about the hunger at 8 speeches. This time, Abdulrahman, I saw African leaders, after the likes of the Kwame Nkrumah, the Sekou Touré, the Modibo Keïtas, and some other people. This hunger at 80, I saw frank submissions, by African leaders. In fact, firstly, let us discuss hunger at 80. Do you think 80 years down the line, the United Nations has been able to actually stand the test of time? Abdulrahman?
Well, it's all dependent on the emerging trend. You don't have a fixed situation at all times. Things evolve, and as things evolve, you gear towards how you can address all of those global anomalies. You mentioned the aspect of frank submissions by African leaders. But I dare say frank submissions with empty hall. I saw somebody did a very nice piece on it, where you have at any moment there's an African leader could take to the podium and experience that the hall is virtually empty. that inadvertently.
Well, that emptiness. You know, one thing I had also wanted to actually talk about.
Say the glaring boycott of Benjamin Netanyahu, who people believe that they are not gearing up to listen to what he's going to say. So for African leaders, the world is pretty much empty, and most surprisingly, the Senegalese president, I don't know, he lost his cue around, you know, on the spot. I really don't know what happened. But that said, let's concentrate on the things our president did say.
Yeah.
As a member of the C10 and also representing ECOWAS, he talked of reimaging multilateralism, where he emphasized on the need to ensure peace, dignity, and equality. He spoke on climate justice. His Excellency President Dr. Julius Maada Bio reiterated African representation, very firm affirmative. He advocated for 2 permanent seats for Africa in the UN Security Council, citing the continent's growing influence and the need for proper representation, global cooperation, and above all, he ended a call for the immediate ceasefire in Gaza, and of course, the UN reform. He highlighted the need for UN reform, particularly in the Security Council, to make it more accountable, representative, and effective. Many people are of the opinion that, in as much as the speech was very much strong, and the issues he lifted up were very much important, Sheko. But the thing many people were actually expecting His Excellency to have done was to lay bare the case of Sierra Leone, the younger occupation, at the spot of the moment. That in itself should have created a kind of a global attention. Otherwise, if ECOWAS is trying to intercede effortlessly without seeing any what can I say, support coming from the competing country, that is Guinea, then there is a cause for us as a nation to get worried. And that is what is expected of His Excellency the President. I don't know whether there's a global platform where you could do it within the regional blocks and all of these things. But, you know, if you are calling for a ceasefire in Gaza, the charity begins at home. You should lay bare your own very challenging experience as a president in your own backyard. Guinea, you understand, the proximity to Guinea is so short to a point that anything can happen. And we all believe that Yenga, whatever thing you want to say, is a troubling reality. So to me, the speech of His Excellency at the UN was principally very much good, and it touches around the expectation of other African leaders.
Alright, okay, you know, a lot of African leaders and friends of Africa, you know, actually made a case. They made a case, and they were very frank, like I said earlier. You know, this Prime Minister from Barbados, you know, in her submission, she was very frank. You know, I admire her so much about she laid bare, you know, what really the situation is. You know, the historical injustice, you know, against Africa. And some of them, even though they are in the Americas, you know, on those islands, but they see themselves as Africans as well. So about the solidarity, you know, I just want us to just talk on it briefly. This solidarity and the submission, you know, and for Africa, or by Africa, by the Prime Minister of Barbados, what was amazing. What do you think, Kone?
Yeah, I think, I mean, these are not new, Sheku, because we've had great speeches before this time. I mean, in your introduction, you mentioned Kwame Nkrumah, Julius Nyerere, Bokita. All of these people have made great statements at the UN, but then things seem not to be changing. And again, these new leaders of Africa who are now emerging are reiterating statements.
President,
and they are calling for reforms within the UN. And the solidarity from other countries seem to be overwhelming. And again, when you listen to the president of Barbados, she was clear in what she was saying, that the injustices against Africa has been too long and it needs to change. Again, I listened to my brother Kinley
from war to peace.
President Bio's speech. I mean, this was a strong speech. And for me, the younger issue is a burning issue, and it's something that we have to pay attention to. We will not want to see ourselves, both Sierra Leone and Guinea, going to war, because these are two sister countries. if you look at Sierra Leone, we have a number of Guineans here. I mean, families of Guineans, and you go to the other side, you see a number of Sierra Leoneans. Intermarriages has taken place between Guineans and Sierra Leoneans. I mean, if you go back to history, the Mandingos, they came from the Mande-speaking tribe, and when they were migrating from Mali to come to this part of Africa, those that came to Sierra Leone, who settled in Sierra Leone, are the Mendes. If you go back to history, those that went to Guinea, Mandingos. Those that went to Liberia, via Mandingos somehow. But we still have Mandingos here, Mandingos in Guinea, and Mandingos in Liberia. If you look at their roots, where they are coming from, they all came from the Mande-speaking tribe, and they migrated from Mali to come and settle because these were Muslims. They were trying to spread the Muslim religion. So we will not see ourselves fighting with Guinea, and that's why I think the diplomacy that is now continuing is something we need to continue with. We've seen the changes in the Guinean aspect. The Métis government want to conduct election. They want to change the uniform from uniform to civilian. But that is a done deal. That's aside.
That's a referendum. It was just an endorsement for
again. Let me look at Gaza and that of Yenga. What is currently happening in Gaza? You cannot compare that particular aspect to what is happening in Yenga. Even this morning when I was listening to news, over 48 people have been killed just this morning as a result of massive offensive from the Israelis, and that is a worrisome situation. That was the reason why when Benjamin Netanyahu was making his statement, people walk out. Yes, they walk out in protest. But the thing is that the hypocrisy of the world, especially the US, is a big challenge, because for the fact that US is still challenging, US is still backing Israel. That's the more reason why Israel is doing all of this.
In fact, look what happened yesterday. In fact, the US government has threatened to revoke the visa of
Barbados. The Colombian
president. According to the US,
based on the State Department, based on the statement that he made,
he was inciting.
Yeah.
So they want to revoke his visa. But the thing is that these speeches, like you mentioned earlier, year in year out, people go to United Nations, they speak, on issues. And the United Nations is supposed to be a fair, kind of organization that seeks
a balanced organization.
But it seems as though, you just imagine, Robert spoke about the emptiness of the hall, especially when other leaders had, spoken. You see the world, the plenary, practically empty when it comes to some of our leaders making their own submissions.
And if you listen to other world leaders, Sheku, the Donald Trump, the Kenema, and a lot of the French president, when you listen to them, not much of a better statement, but people want to listen to know what they are saying. Look at Donald Trump. In the first statement, he was fighting with the teleprompter. Like, the teleprompter is not working. And what is that? And he was saying, I'm not even speaking on statement. I'm just making my own statement from on top of my head. I mean, how can you? And people are sitting there listening to him.
You know one thing. Now let us also talk about this C10 thing. Now, for years now, since the Seat declaration, in Libya. In fact, our president, the former president, Ansbach Krumah, was also the chairman for the C10. And that has been inherited by President Julius Maada. And presentations, submissions, you go to AU, you submit, you go to ECOWAS, you submit, you go to United Nations, you submit. But nothing seems to be happening. But the last time, in the tenure of Joe Biden, the US ambassador to the United Nations, at some point endorsed Africa's call and for that representation in the United Nations Security Council, 2 permanent seats and 2 non-permanent seats. That is what Africa is actually calling for. But then she falls short to talk about veto. So now America endorsed Africa's representation in the United Nations Security Council, but without veto. How does that work? How meaningful is that?
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Sheku. So, from my point of view, I believe President Bio and other African leaders presented a genuine case that represents us as Africans, including President Ruto. Because for far too long, Africa has been sidelined. Because most of the issues that has to do with security centers on African continent. So when it comes to determining the fate of those issues, definitely we need Africans in permanent seats. So it was a widespread call for at least 2 permanent seats for Africa and additional 2 non-permanent seats. From a general perspective, President Bio's speech was succinct and he hit the point, exactly what people were expecting. But just like what my senior colleague said just now, that should also be a platform for him to put the younger case across, because for far too long there has been standoff. You see, they have signed series of treaties relating to younger, but yet still it's like we are making no progress. We had reported the last time that the ECOWAS fact-finding mission was stopped from entering Yenga. So that also is very worrisome. So it will be in our interest if President Bio had brought this issue in the global stage, for at least for this issue to be deliberated, because it's clear. Geographically, we know that Yenga is part of Sierra Leone. So I have a strong case to put it in the global stage.
All right, now, but also let us talk about this call for immediate ceasefire in Gaza, and what was said by President Bio and re-echoed by several other African leaders. In fact, almost all of them. It's like they had a pre-meeting before going to the plenary, in a way, before actually going to the debate. But it's like it was a common position by almost all African leaders, but there should be, or there must be, a ceasefire in Gaza.
Yeah, definitely the injustice and genocide also that is happening in Gaza, it's worrisome. Like you just said, earlier today, we had a huge number of casualty, and we are not seeing anything that this will stop, because even the hostages, to release the hostages, the fear is, even if we release these hostages, the bombardment will still continue. So it's worrisome. So I believe the entire world will support Africa, because as it stands now, we know Israel has no plan to stop this bombardment. Even though other countries has come out plain to say we are calling for a 2-state solution. We see Netanyahu outrightly condemning that statement, that they can't sit and allow such thing to happen. So it's all has to do with the hypocrisy of the West. We really need to be just to ourselves to prevent this thing to escalate to another level.
Somebody once said, how many states do we have in the United States? It is 50 states or so?
About 50.
50. So somebody said, jokingly, but it seems to be making some sense, that Israel is the 51 state of the United States of America. Yes. Lahim and Sari, I'm sorry, how do you come in? Because it's like United Nations has become a place where people go every year to talk. They go to talk, and after the talk, everybody goes his own different ways, and that is exactly what has been happening. And for example, we saw our leaders in Africa. Their submissions were very frank. They were straight to the point. What do we expect? The aftermath or post hunger at 80. Have you made all these speeches? Almost every African leader. In fact, it's like they copied. Like, for example, before they went to the plenary, they had discussed. But this is what all of us are going to say. This is our common position, and we saw it. It was very clear, but they had a common position. One, but this historical injustice, over 1.4 billion, I'm sorry, inhabitants of this world are from Africa or are in Africa. And most of the decisions taken at that level of the United Nations Security Council are decisions on Africa. But Africa hasn't got a say. Africa is not represented. This is one. And secondly, this common position also on Gaza. But there should be, or there must be, an immediate ceasefire. I think these are some of the two things. These are the two things that came out very clearly. The common African position on United Nations reform, and also the ceasefire in Gaza.
Yeah, Sheikh, thank you very much. First, I want to say I am a very proud African. Having watched and listened to African leaders in the podium at Hunger at 18. I want to say here, my focus was mainly on President Ruto of Kenya and our own president. Their positions were clear, and on the podium they were authoritative by what they were delivering. Now, I stand to be corrected, but I think we have 54 nations in Africa as a continent. And those 54 nations, they need to go back to the drawing board and see how they can position themselves as a continent before going to the international stage. I want to tell you what has been presented by our leaders. If you check some of our African other leaders, they are not happy. He will tell you we are not consulted. We went and present this and that. And don't forget the West, like my brother Dan was saying, the West is interfering with everything that has to do with Africa. Be it politics, be it economics, whatever you think of it, including education. Now, how can we achieve this? We just go to the UN, like you are saying, Sheikh, we will go and present every year. No action, no follow-up, no results. 54 nations, we are talking about America, they say what? 50 plus one, just as a phone. Just 50 nations, they have a target, they have a clear ambition, they have a clear goal. But for us in Africa, for me, we are just going there to act movie. We go and talk and that is the end. We come. Next year the same thing will repeat. It's the same speech we are going to deliver. It's the same call we are going to make. Let us go on with actions that will deliver Africa. Recently, look at what happened.
Like President Ruto threatened, boycott.
Thank you.
Boycott of United Nations activities. Thank you. Because your presence is endorsement.
Yes, like we are saying, when other leaders were talking, we see the hall was packed full. Am I correct? And when it comes to African leaders,
it was empty.
It was empty.
And it has been the case, since I started religiously following Hunger, it has always been the case. When the Western leaders are on the podium, you see the hall on that particular place is packed. When our African leaders are speaking or making their submissions, the hall is empty.
So we need to go back to the drawing board to organize ourselves as nations and moving.
Another side to this is that the United States government is making a lot of money regarding hunger. See the amount of people that go to hunger. See the amount of hotels rented in the United States. It's boosting their economy every year. It's a huge boost to their economy.
So tourism as well.
Yes. So if Africa decides to boycott, because look at, just imagine, sometimes Sierra Leone go with a 50-man delegation. Sometimes other Africans they go with 40-man delegation, and all of this is added to the economy of the United States. Hotels, meals that you eat, and most of them go there. They also do shopping. A number of people go there just to do shopping during hunger. So it tells you that the United States is making a huge amount of money out of hunger. So if Africa decides to boycott hunger, if we have a common position that if these things are not materialized next year or so year, let's give ourselves a target that in 2 years we want to be on the security seat. or in 1 year we want to be on that seat. Otherwise, we'll not come to hunger.
You know, the thing is that when
we have the strength.
No,
we as Africa, we have the strength.
Now, the thing is, you know, guys, you know, when you are negotiating or dialoguing,
negotiate from the position of strength.
When you don't